Hey, what's up YouTube? Today me and my friend Keel, say hi Keel.
Sup?
We're gonna be playing Penumbra. Meh.
Which I can't see.
Yes,
sadly.
he can't see it because if we put screen share with him, he'll lag like crap. So I'm just gonna commentate to him. There are things that okay. Mature 17 plus, yeah, sure. You wanna start a new game? Let's start a new game.
Without this knowledge, without this foundation, you could not have the will to do what I must.
CSB. So what's up, Keel? What you doing, Keel?
YouTube. Is the stream flow still on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Interesting. I'm in some place.
Describe to me.
It's a room. I started from the beginning, remember?
Oh, right.
360s. What? That's legit. It's locked, okay. Oh, there's some disgusting noises coming from outside. I'll barricade the door in case anything comes in. Hey, look, a mattress. Oh, there's crying. That's interesting. Coin. Oh, there's like torture noises coming. A note. Between light and shadows is a time what goes on best to okay, interesting. Dude, there's so many noises coming from outside, like someone's being cut up or something. I hear a door open. Dude, there's something happening outside.
What is happening?
Like someone being tortured or something being cut open or something.
Oh, damn.
Damn indeed. Legit bookshelf is legit. Let's barricade the door with the bookshelf. Legit. Glow stick. Oh, okay. That's fine. It's just dark. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let's just move on. I wasn't sure how long I'd been out, but my head still hurt. Either it hadn't been long or they hit me really hard. I didn't have a clue what was going on, and all of a sudden I really didn't care. I was getting out. I hate vents. Don't you, Shakyl? Oh, how's that? Why you not talk? That's some disgusting retarded stuff there. Okay. Alright, that's not normal. Does Penumbra have a sanity bar, I wonder?
Lol.
It's like, it feels like you're losing a sanity, but nothing ever tells you if you are.
I know, right? But even without a sanity bar, Penumbra is far scarier than Asia.
That's so true though. What's this? Oh, a flare. Batteries. No free drinks today. Oh, okay. Die. I'm hitting the soda machine with a rock. Huh? Oh, something came out. I hit it with a rock and something came out. How cool is that? You know the soda can? You're supposed to put the coin in the soda can, right?
Not bad.
Right?
Yeah.
You're supposed to put the coin in the machine to get it out, right?
Yeah.
I just hit it with a rock and it came out. Collapsed. Watch your step. That's like whispering. Well, that's not scary. That's not legit. What's all this? Who's talking? I hear all these like whispering noises. Like, oh, what? Stupid thing. Oh. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There we go. Not going there. Wait. Oh, what? Death is the final. Oh, I'm back here. Do I still have the can? Yes, I'd have the can. That's fine then. Do you think the glowtorch ever runs out of batteries? Or whatever?
Maybe. I don't think it applies in the game.
I wonder where the flashlight is.
The monster has a flashlight, right?
Oh yeah, that's true.
That's weird, eh?
But it's kind of scary because you can see what they know you're there. If they shine a light over your area, you know you're screwed, right?
I know, right? That is scary.
Similarly, your mom said yesterday, last night, same thing. Ah, come on. Rotate. Why you not rotate? There you go. Alright, let's not go into that steam pipe this time. Freezer. Oh god. What was that? What was that? I have a blowtorch and a chair. Is the door open? Is the door open? It's locked, thankfully, yeah. It's not locked. Once I'm done with it, I'll keep throwing this chair at it. Chair's house. Fine. Piggy. Milk is always the answer. Fine. Ketchup. Is that a dead body? No, it's not. How's this? Batteries. No, coin. Not quite. What else to do with this? Just a thermostat. Oh. Jerry, get back here. Oh, crate. I didn't see the crate. How can a door be locked but still kind of open as well? That doesn't make sense.
Oh.
Oh, what? What? I did not. Maybe it's a time thing. Run. There we go. Loading. ... Ellipse. Ooh, lasers. Portal 2. Dead guy. Let's teabag the dead.
Chef Carlito is waiting for you in the mess hall with insert today's specials here. A happy worker is an efficient worker, and only efficient workers will be fed.
Why are you so untalkative? Are you thinking about a special someone?
Maybe.
Seriously? You seriously thinking about her? Is that why you're not concentrating?
I don't know.
Seriously?
I want to see. I cannot see.
But that's quite true. That does suck.
Yeah, so what can I say?
Just talk.
Okay.
I hate corridors. I never will like corridors. What's that? Oh, it's like the orbs in Amnesia. So that's interesting.
Hey, Brandon.
Yeah?
I don't think this is gonna work out.
Cool.
This steam floating.
How do you know?
I don't know. Such a fail.
Cool, absolutely.
Failed dialogue. I meant.
It could work. You never know. Hey, look, chairs. The gameplay and commentary is good enough, you know, my gameplay and commentary. But the fact that you can't see it sucks. Let's close the door and barricade.
Oh, are you gonna upload this one?
Depends.
I don't think you can outgrow this
You're a
one.
monster.
My name, Carpenter. Rank, elevated. Status, Code C, imprisoned. Observing the turn-gat
Do
movement,
another one.
I predicted
Let's
it will be
fail.
myself I visit next. To my
Fail
knowledge,
dialogue.
I am the last
Damn
remaining
bro.
member of the elevated
Fail
at this facility,
dialogue.
and so it
You're ruining
falls
it.
upon me to ensure that
Exactly,
the
I ruined it.
protocol is not
I'll
compromised.
just edit you out.
For that reason,
Yeah,
I
okay.
record here
You better
the
edit-
only way I
edit
have
the
discovered
fact
to
that you said you
neutralize
edit
the
me out.
virus.
Yeah, just like. Oh my god. I want to check. Oh my god, it's from the cassette.
My
That's not fair. How dare they trick us like I'll try bash you with a water tank cassette. Corridor. It's locked. It's always locked. It's locked as well. Oh my god. It's locked. Well, everything's locked. Oh, lock. Light bulb. What would I do here again? Oh. Never imagined that would actually work. Oh, now it's dark. Oh, that's brilliant. Do you like the dark, Shakyl?
Dark.
I hate the dark.
Dark
Especially
is awesome.
in a game like this, I really don't like the dark. Oh! You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god.
Let's shoot.
He's right behind me. Screw you. That wasn't me. Oh, that wasn't me. Oh. Screw you, man. You're not nice. People. Let's do it again. Okay.
Wasn't a monster there again?
What else do you think it was?
Your mom.
Oh, shut up, Shakyl.
Fine.
I have no idea where I am. Should I just make a run for it?
You should. Shouldn't you like crouch behind that table
I am
first?
crouching behind the table.
And you're just waiting for it to go.
It's not gonna go. I think I should just make a run for it. That's what I did last time and it worked.
Okay, make a run for it.
Who there?
Oh, stop!
Who are you?
Run! Oh my god, don't look back. Oh. If he comes through there, I swear to God, I'll got a stick. I'll just do this.